Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today morning I have put a video in YouTube that I am going to make a video addressing ICAI to make some changes with respect to November 2020 examinations. So several students have sent messages to me requesting to address the issues on their behalf. So I got wonderful response from the students. Thanks to each and every student who have sent a message to me and given some hints with respect to the areas to be covered in this video. Based on the requests received from various students, I am preparing this video, and this video I am addressing to all the CC members of CA Institute, including the president and vice president of the CA Institute. So here is a request to all CC members, Central Council members of CA Institute, including Honorable President and Honorable Vice President of CA Institute. Whatever the points I am discussing in this video are being made at the request of the students. These are not drafted by me. So each and every point was suggested by the students. So I request all the CC members to consider this request and make necessary changes in the November 2020 examinations. So out of all the requests received from the students, the best thing I have understood is nobody wants cancellation of the exams. Everybody feels that exams have to be conducted. So one day or the other exams have to be conducted. They are not expecting CA Institute to cancel the examinations. They are just expecting to make some smaller changes in the examination system as requested below. So majority students are requesting ICAI to consider conducting a home-based MCQ-based exam so that all possible risks can be minimized. There are several international reputed courses which are being conducted as home-based examinations. So students can write examination right from their home. It is not possible to do the same. If it is not possible to do the same for all levels, then at least to do the same for foundation level students so that we can reduce the crowd coming to the examination centers. All the hardships of the students with respect to exams may get cleared if we are able to conduct the examinations in this manner. So several students have sent me requests in this regard. So please release SOPs as early as possible. Students, what they are saying is they just want to plan their decision based on the SOPs released by CA Institute. They just want to discuss the issues with their parents and then take a decision. So some students have even said that they have some old age parents in their home. They may not be able to come out and take the risk. So they may have immunity to handle the COVID-19, but their old age parents may not have immunity to handle the situation. That's why they are a little bit worried to come out of their home and attend the examination. So to clear all the issues and all the doubts of the students, it's better for ICAI to release the SOPs as early as possible, based on which students can discuss with their parents and take a decision whether to write the examination or not. So better to give opt-out facility. There are several students who are ready to write the examination. Parallelly, there are several students who are unable to write the examination. For example, just now I have shared one incident. So one student told that there are old age parents in their home and he is not in a position to come out and take a risk of writing the examination. So for such kind of students, it will be beneficial if opt-out facility is given. I think majority students will get satisfied and feel happy if this opt-out facility is given as early as possible. So this opt-out facility has to be given till the last moment of the examination so that students can take decision of their will. For such students, we shall even take care of exemption related issues. For example, once opt-out facility is given, they shall even exemption related issues should also be addressed. If possible, try to give exemption even if student gets minimum of 50% marks. Several students have sent this message to me. Since students are facing several challenges in preparing for their exams, some students are unable to find the materials, some students are unable to prepare properly at home. So several students are facing several challenges in preparation. Since students are facing several challenges in preparing for their exams, it's better to give this benefit to the students. Please give exemption facility even in CA Foundation, because just like CA Inter and CA Final students are struggling, even CA Foundation students are also struggling a lot. So frankly speaking, the age of the CA Foundation students is less when compared to that of age group of CA Inter and CA Final students. So really CA Foundation students are facing lot of struggles in taking the coaching, preparing for the exams, finding materials, finding proper place to study, etc. They're also struggling hard to take coaching and preparing for exams. Students may get affected after writing one or two exams. What will be the position of such students? So better to give exemption even if full attendance is not there. This is also being demanded by several students. Correction window needs to be opened once again. This is being requested by several students because every day situation is changing. So once if correction window is once again opened, based on the current scenario, students can take a decision and change their examination center. So IPCC students are requesting to extend one more attempt since CA Institute has declared that November 2020 is the last attempt. Students are struggling hard to prepare for the exams. That's why they are requesting to extend one more attempt under old syllabus. Better to open a functional toll-free number so that students can inform their problems to ICAI immediately. If the area of a particular examination center is declared as containment zone in the last moment, then better to consider automatic opt-out facility to those students or arrange another near examination center in nearby location. Now ICAI has to give some clarity on what they are going to do in such situation. There are two types of students who have missed their May 2020 attempt, that is repeaters. For them there was ample time for preparation and they are ready to appear for the exam in November 2020 itself. But there are students who are eligible to appear for November 2000 exams for the first time. They have faced several issues in finishing their coaching, and there are several coaching centers in which even coaching is not yet finished, and they are requesting either to reduce the syllabus or to conduct examinations in December month. They are not expecting cancellation of exam. They are just expecting postponement of exams from November month to December month. And some students have given a wonderful advice that so it's better to conduct examinations separately for repeaters and first time writing students, because even the crowd at the examination center will get reduced and the risk of getting COVID-19 will also come down. If we are able to conduct exams separately to first time writing students and repeaters, then crowd will also come down in the examination center. This is also one good advice being given by the students. Safety of students is utmost important. Please take all the necessary precautionary measures to see that COVID-19 does not spread. It's a new environment for students to write exams wearing a mask. Some students may feel it difficult to write in that new environment. So students are requesting allot at least another 15 minutes of additional time to write the exam. In addition to 3 hours, they are expecting another 15 minutes of time to write the exam. So better to take medical insurance policy in the names of all students who have applied for exam. Even if some students get attacked with COVID-19, then they can be able to meet the medical expenses. I think it's a very good idea and can easily be implemented. If a student is suffering with fever but not COVID-19 positive, will he be allowed to write the exam? Need clarity from CA Institute with respect to this aspect. So steps to be taken by ICAI for Bihar elections. Students are expecting clarity, especially students who have opted to write their examination in Bihar state are expecting a quick reply from the CA Institute in this regard. Several students are requesting to conduct the examinations after Diwali. If at all CA Institute is planning to postpone their examinations to December month, then it's better to conduct the exam after Diwali month, after Diwali festival. So these are all the requests made by the students, and on behalf of all students, I request all the Central Council members to take necessary steps to consider the suggestions being given by the students, at least accept a few suggestions which are more practicable and which does not create any trouble to the CA Institute in implementation. Dear students, please share this video in large numbers so that large number of students will get educated of the same, and even our CC members and other dignitaries of CA Institute will also be able to know the request made by the students. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we will get motivation to make still more videos on these kind of important aspects. Thank you, all the best. And once again, thanks to all the students for sending me valuable suggestions.